When someone says something we disagree with, we often say or think, "That's stupid," or "You're wrong." We may also minimize what others say like this: "I've heard that before, but," or "That might be true sometimes, however." Instead of stating our disagreement, we can use a technique called disagreeing agreeably, which I learned during a Dale Carnegie training. Disagreeing agreeably looks like this. Pause for a few seconds and ask yourself, "What do I think? Why? What is my evidence?" Next, add a cushion. Don't disagree or agree. Instead, validate the concern. For example, "I see where you're coming from." Don't use "but," "however," "nevertheless," and words like that. Finally, after saying the cushion, provide your evidence. "My evidence is," or "the evidence indicates to me." Then you can say, "Therefore, I believe," and state your opinion. Here's an example. If someone said, "I don't want any type of schedule on vacation. Just get up and find an activity to do." When someone states that opinion, the first thing I do is think. I don't speak. What do I think? First of all, that's a huge waste of time. Time is limited, so you need to maximize every day. And my evidence is my recent trip to London. I've just thought all that, I haven't spoken it. Now I speak a cushion and say, "Simply taking a day-by-day approach on vacation sounds relaxing." On our last trip to London a couple of years ago, we realized that a few locations we wanted to visit required tickets and transportation to get there. We had to book a tour to see Stonehenge and Windsor Castle. Therefore, I think at least some planning of key events and activities is helpful on vacation. For a recent activity, I divided the attendees into teams of 4. I then let each group pick one card from the My Way or the Highway card deck. Each card has 2 positions on a topic. I instructed each group to take turns picking sides of their selected topic. After each group member practiced taking both sides of the topic and disagreeing agreeably, we came back together and discussed how the activity went. Use the link in the description to download 9 cards from the My Way or the Highway card deck. You can also view my video on how I create laminated cards at the link in the corner.